Cookie Cookie Chronicles. If you give a mouse a cookie, starring Mimi the mouse with pink glasses. One sunny morning, Jamie was baking cookies with Grandma. The whole house smelled like vanilla, cinnamon, and sweet, melty chocolate chips. Just as Jamie pulled out a fresh, golden tray of cookies, she heard a knock 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 at the window. She peeked outside. There stood a tiny gray mouse with sparkly pink glasses, a purple polka dot bow, and a notebook tucked under her arm. "Hi there," squeaked the mouse. "I'm Mimi, and I love cookies. May I please have one?" Jamie smiled. "Sure, Mimi. Just one. But if you give a mouse like Mimi a cookie, she's going to ask for a glass of milk to go with it." Milk mustaches and messy maps. Jamie poured Mimi a glass of milk. Mimi dipped the cookie, took a bite, and sighed. Mmm. Perfection. This cookie makes me feel like I could plan an expedition. An expedition? Jamie asked. Oh yes. Mimi said, hopping onto the kitchen table. I'll need a napkin, some yarn, 3 buttons, and a compass. Jamie gave her a napkin first. But if you give a mouse a napkin, she's going to notice her pink glasses are smudged. Cleaning, questions, and curiosity. Mimi polished her glasses until they sparkled. Then she looked at Jamie very seriously and asked, "Have you ever wondered where chocolate chips come from?" The store?" Mimi gasped. "The rainforest, Jamie. Cacao trees, sun, shade, cocoa beans, it's science and geography." She pulled out a map from her notebook and pointed. "I must chart a course to the Cocoa Mountains. We'll need snacks, a flashlight, and oh, another cookie, please." A cookie sparks curiosity. Jamie gave her another cookie. Mimi nibbled and said, "Did you know that cookies are perfect math tools?" Math? Jamie raised an eyebrow. Oh yes, Mimi nodded. We can divide them, multiply chocolate chips, and even count crumbs. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!